Hey gardeners, welcome back to Garden World. Have you ever wondered how to get the best yield from your tomato plants? Today, we're diving into a topic that can make a huge difference: pruning. Properly pruning your tomato plants not only boosts your yield, but also keeps your plants healthy and strong. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why pruning is so important. Pruning your tomato plants offers several key benefits. Improved air circulation, reduces the risk of fungal diseases. Better light penetration, helps the plant photosynthesize more effectively. Increased fruit production, directs the plant's energy towards fruit development. Stronger plants, encourages the growth of more resilient plants. Proper pruning ensures that your plants stay healthy and productive throughout the growing season. Before we start pruning, it's essential to know what type of tomato plant you have. There are two main types: determinate and indeterminate. Determinate tomatoes grow to a set height and produce all their fruit in a short period. These need minimal pruning. Indeterminate tomatoes, on the other hand, continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the season, requiring regular pruning to manage growth and improve yield. Timing is everything. Start pruning when your tomato plant is about 18 inches tall. This is typically a few weeks after planting. Keep pruning throughout the season as needed. To get started, you'll need a few tools. Sharp pruning shears, for clean cuts that heal quickly. Gloves, to protect your hands from irritation. Disinfectant, to clean your tools between cuts and prevent the spread of disease. Now, let's walk through the pruning process step by step. Suckers are the small shoots that grow in the axil, the space between the stem and a branch. Regularly removing these helps prevent the plant from becoming too bushy. As the plant grows, remove the leaves from the bottom 12 inches of the stem. These leaves are prone to disease and can take energy away from fruit production. For indeterminate tomatoes, thin out some of the foliage to improve air circulation and light penetration. Be careful not to over-prune, as leaves are essential for photosynthesis. Towards the end of the growing season, consider topping your tomato plant by cutting off the top of the main stem. This directs the plant's energy to ripen the remaining fruit. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Over-pruning. Removing too many leaves can stress the plant and reduce fruit production. Late pruning. Avoid heavy pruning late in the season, as it can hinder the plant's ability to ripen fruit. Ignoring plant type. Different tomato types require different pruning techniques. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions about pruning tomatoes. How often should I prune my tomato plants? Prune regularly throughout the growing season, typically every 2 weeks. Yes, but minimally. Focus on removing any diseased or yellowing leaves and minor sucker growth. Dispose of them properly to prevent the spread of disease. Do not compost them if your plants had any fungal